Sigma males possess an extraordinary ability to perceive and process human behavior and social cues with unmatched depth. Their unique mental wiring enables them to uncover subtleties others often overlook. This analytical prowess goes beyond mere observation, offering insights into intentions, energy dynamics, and hidden motivations. Let's delve into the nuances of what makes Sigma males so perceptive, breaking it down into key areas of their observational abilities. 1. The energy you exude, inspiring or draining. Have you ever felt invigorated after spending time with certain individuals, while others leave you mentally exhausted? Sigma males have an innate ability to detect these energy patterns almost instantaneously. While most people may take hours or days to sense someone's impact on their emotional state, Sigmas intuitively understand it within moments. Psychologist Judith Orloff describes energy vampires, individuals who unconsciously drain energy from those around them. Sigma males, with their heightened awareness, can quickly categorize individuals into energy givers and takers. They notice the subtle signs. Do you dominate conversations or allow them to flow naturally? Are you solution-oriented, or do you dwell on problems? Do you respect boundaries, or are you overly demanding? While they are adept at recognizing draining personalities, they're equally skilled at identifying those who inspire. Such individuals bring fresh perspectives, exude positivity, and leave conversations feeling enriched. This ability to discern energy patterns enables Sigma males to allocate their time and emotional resources wisely, preserving their mental battery in a demanding world. 2. The true intent behind kindness. Kindness is often perceived as straightforward, but for Sigma males, it's a multifaceted signal that warrants scrutiny. When someone exhibits acts of kindness, a Sigma male's analytical mind starts deciphering the consistency and authenticity behind it. This isn't about being cynical, it's about identifying patterns. True kindness, as Harvard psychologist Martha Stout notes, is consistent and free from expectation. Sigma males detect subtle inconsistencies that suggest ulterior motives. Consider the following examples. Does your generosity align with moments when you need a favor? Are your compliments sincere, or do they serve as precursors to requests? Do you perform kind acts only when there's an audience? These nuances, such as a calculated pause before an altruistic gesture or a tendency to highlight personal good deeds, stand out starkly to Sigma males. Genuine kindness flows naturally, while manipulative behavior reveals itself through predictable patterns that Sigmas can't ignore. 3. The gap between words and actions. Words are easy to produce, but actions speak volumes. Sigma males excel at identifying discrepancies between what people say and what they do. They observe two parallel narratives, the one you project through your words and the one your actions reveal. For instance, someone might preach loyalty but gossip about friends, or they may claim to value honesty, frequently tell small lies. Behavioral scientist Robert Cialdini emphasizes that consistency is a key driver of human behavior. Sigma males, with their acute attention to detail, naturally track these inconsistencies. Examples of such misalignments include a colleague advocating for teamwork but taking sole credit for group efforts, a friend who professes to always be there but is absent in times of need. Through this mental scorecard, Sigmas discern true character, forming a deeper understanding of those around them. 4. The depth of your questions. The quality of someone's questions often reveals their intellectual and emotional depth. Sigma males are particularly attuned to this aspect of communication. While anyone can ask, "How are you?" it's the follow-up questions that distinguish genuine curiosity from surface-level politeness. Thoughtful questions go beyond seeking information. They demonstrate an intent to understand. Sigma males notice when someone asks open-ended, exploratory questions like "Why do you think that happened?" rather than "What happened?" redirects conversations back to themselves rather than exploring others' perspectives. uses questions as tools for meaningful dialogue rather than filling silences. Such distinctions reflect not just conversational skills, but also emotional intelligence. Sigmas gravitate toward individuals whose inquiries build connections and foster genuine understanding. 5. The authenticity of compliments. Compliments can be sincere or calculated. Sigma males, with their keen perception, can distinguish between the two with ease. Genuine praise flows naturally, much like admiring a sunset, requiring no audience or agenda. However, calculated compliments are often strategic, designed to elicit specific outcomes. Dr. Jack Schafer describes tactical praise as flattery used to manipulate or achieve a goal. Sigma males identify telltale signs of insincerity, such as compliments that coincide suspiciously with a favor being requested, praise that sounds rehearsed or is delivered identically to multiple people, flattery paired with subtle glances to gauge others' reactions. For Sigmas, the difference between genuine and calculated compliments is as clear as day. Authentic appreciation is spontaneous, while manipulative flattery leaves a hollow impression. 6. The logic and reasoning in arguments. Arguments are not merely about proving a point, but also about showcasing one's thought processes. Sigma males pay close attention to how people construct their arguments, seeking coherence and logical consistency. Dr. Daniel Kahneman, a Nobel laureate in behavioral economics, emphasizes the importance of cognitive coherence, the ability to form logical connections between ideas. Sigma males evaluate arguments by observing whether reasoning aligns with evidence or relies on emotional intensity. If individuals adapt their logic when challenged or cling to flawed premises, the ability to connect dots meaningfully rather than forcing unrelated points together. These observations provide profound insights into someone's intellectual honesty and critical thinking abilities. For Sigmas, it's not about winning debates, but understanding the truth behind the discourse. Conclusion: the perceptive edge of Sigma males. Sigma males possess an unparalleled ability to decode human behavior, detecting subtleties that most people overlook. From analyzing energy dynamics and intentions to scrutinizing the depth of conversations and logical consistency, their minds operate like high-performance computers. This heightened awareness is not about judgment, but understanding a skill that allows them to navigate complex social landscapes with precision and purpose. By recognizing these patterns, Sigma males protect their energy, align themselves with authenticity, and foster meaningful connections. Their perceptiveness is a testament to the power of observation and introspection, offering a master class in human behavior that few can rival. Do you resonate with the ideas I shared in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more content about Sigma males, explore the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.